this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I like to say welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, today's video is actually going to be about Annie's, some hook and needle kit club that I'm involved in, and I wanted to share that with you guys today. So grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to eat, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny crochet talk. Well, I'm going to show you a quick clip of what it looks like on the outside of my home right now. So yes, I am snowed in for a few days actually. Okay, so let's just dig right in and look at some of these Annie's crochet kits. This one I would like to show you is called the Sunny Daisy set. This is just an idea of some of the things that the Hook and Needle Kit Club. Hook and Needle Kit Club actually means crochet and knit, which I think most of you guys picked up on that. So like here's the yarn for this one. And you get a crochet and knit. And I haven't started that one, but I'm excited to get started on that one. And they have scarves, hats, and this is like some baskets. Isn't that cool? Now some of these are amigurumi. See the big cat? Look at that. It's just adorable. I love this being in my yarn room. When I look over at it, I don't know, it brings me joy. It's so darn cute. So far in the kit, we've got a hat and a scarf. We got some baskets. We got some amigurumi. So let's see what else we have. Okay, so now look at this. We have a purse. And isn't that some beautiful yarn? Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm telling you, these kits are amazing. One of the things I like about it is that you get to try different things between amigurumi. Try your hand at that. Let's say that you're thinking, well, I don't know if I can do amigurumi. Well, if the kit is delivered to your home, what are you going to do? You're going to try it. You're going to go online. You're going to sign in. You're going to watch the tutorial, which they have left and right-handed tutorials. You're going to watch that so that you can learn to make your amigurumi. But there's another good thing that I like about it is that if you don't know how to read patterns, this is how I learned to read patterns, is I would watch a tutorial and I would go by the step by step or row by row, however you want to say it, round by round, and I would check off each one that I did, and it helped me. The more I did that, it helped me learn how to read patterns. Now look what we have. We have some little sockies here. And look at all the beautiful yarn. This yarn is really soft. I love this yarn. So they always have really good yarn. Most of the time it's the Premier Anti-Pilling yarn, which I happen to love. It's some of the best yarn. And the last one I'm going to show you is a Latgan. And here's some of the yarn for that. So I just wanted to come on here and show you these Annie's kits. I will leave a link in the description box below for you guys. So in case you're interested in trying out the Hook and Needle Kit Club, then you can just go straight to that link and purchase, try it out, subscribe to it. They have other ones as well, not just Hook and Needle Kit Club. I mean, they have tons of other clubs to go along with that. Quilting, blankets, arts, you name it. But anyway, I just wanted to introduce this to you guys in case you haven't seen it and you've thought about it. It gives you, as you can see, an array of different things to try out in your crochet and knit journey. And but anyway, that's what I have. And anyway, I just want to share that with you guys. All right, y'all have a very blessed and wonderful day. And don't forget to just keep crocheting and to live life and to have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.